In order to institute and implement data governance, there's a couple of things you need to do. First of all, you need to identify all the artifacts, digital artifacts and people within your landscape or your business environment. And it's important to link, or what we call map, these artifacts and relate them. And within the data governance context, those artifacts or items or objects, usually called the digital objects or people or roles, are mapped within what they call a repository. And the practice of metadata management enables those mappings, the capturing of those artifacts and processes and people, the capturing of rules and controls, and then that gets linked and mapped within this repository. It's called a metadata hub. So metadata management and another practice called data lifecycle management is very key within data governance. It actually enables data governance. It underpins data governance. Another thing to remember that as the mappings progress, you would find that the lineage and transparency of your landscape becomes quickly evident. You can also map what we call PPSGs, policies, processes, standards and guidelines, and extract the rules out of those policies or PPSGs, and then capture them into your metadata hub and link them as well. So when there is a need to evidence compliance and prove that you are actually implementing rules from a standard or a policy, you can do that very easily because it's linked. With a click of a button, you can actually trace and show where the rules are applied, on which process, in which system or which service, who is on that lineage, and which compliance or rule applies. So that's the great value of data governance. Outside of documenting your artifacts or your assets, as we call it, it allows you to have that lineage to support evidencing, to support change management. It allows for impact analysis. So it will show that if one artifact is changed or deleted or added, how it impacts upstream and downstream. So in terms of risk management, that's very important to have. So these are some of the benefits that you can have by instituting data governance. And at KID Group, we can do all of that for you. We have expert skills and experience of rolling out such solutions.